What's going on, YouTube? So it's freezing and I bought this. We got a Kero World kerosene heater. About to open the box, put it together. I'll show it to you. Put it in the garage, and we got some work to do on the Wolf. So as always, sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Alright guys, so here it is, all put together. It wasn't too complicated. Only thing I need to do now is put some kerosene in it, put it in the garage, let the kerosene sit so the wick don't burn up for like 35 minutes, light it, and then I can start working on the scooter. So I'll see y'all at my house. Alright guys, so we're in my garage, aka the dock. I got my kerosene heater, just lit it up for the very first time. For y'all on the East Coast, you know that we're going through some really bad winter weather right now. So I've got this thing going along with my space heater, and I'm gonna sit right here. But I got something I want to share with you guys, so hold on. Alright, so in this box, we have a replacement part for the Wolf. This part right here, I've got a new fairing, is exactly the same. Here it is in this box. It's the same part. What has happened on here, and wow, I'm standing over this kerosene heater and I can really feel it putting out. So I might be able to actually work in my garage in the winter. Isn't that awesome? Anyway, for you guys that didn't know, I've got this turn signal zip tied on here. I don't know if you can see that broken pleat. Let me focus in, see if I can focus in. That broken piece of plastic right there is requiring the entire section to be taken off. So I'm gonna go about doing this. First time I've ever done it. And I am scared I'm gonna break it, but hey, you never know until you try. So let's get on it, see what happens. Well, I got good news and bad news here. Good news, this thing's working pretty good. Sitting next to it, you can definitely feel the heat coming off of it. That one over there is helping out too. Bad news, that is not the same as this. What the hell? The issue is there's holes here for this turn signal to come on here, and there's no holes on that. So this is officially gone a pay grade above what I'm able to do, because I'm guessing I could take it back to the place they drill some holes in it, and then we'll be able to mount these turn signals on there. But that's something I'm not comfortable doing. Anyway, today's video was brought to you by Nelson Cruz. He wanted to see some more videos of the Wolf D150, so I definitely will definitely do that. You know, all you guys got to do is ask. I'll give you whatever content you want to get. So yeah, we'll be definitely doing some more stuff with this. I definitely have to, because that has to go back to the shop, and I gotta get another part. Yoko Loko sitting over here just chillaxing. But yeah, not that bad in here, you know. It's got a high ceiling. So I don't know, you know, all that heat's gonna rise up, but it's definitely warmer in here than it is out there. It's ice, rain and shit out there. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.